Honey is a natural cough suppressant that can help soothe your throat and reduce coughing. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can help ease throat irritation and reduce coughing. Garlic contains allicin, a compound known for its antibacterial and antiviral properties that can help alleviate cough symptoms. Pineapple is rich in bromelain, an enzyme that can help suppress coughs and loosen mucus in your throat. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe a sore throat and relieve coughing. Lemon is high in vitamin C, which can boost your immune system and help reduce the duration of a cough. Combining these superfoods into your diet can help alleviate cough symptoms and promote faster recovery.